Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on importing contacts from your SIM card to your iPhone or iCloud account. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Settings app on your iPhone. In Settings, scroll down to the Contacts settings and open them. In Contact Settings, tap Import SIM Contacts from the bottom of the options. Select where you want your contacts to be imported to, either your iCloud account or to your iPhone. Your SIM contacts will now be imported. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more iOS tips and tricks.